In today's video, we're walking through how to build a digital product store inside GoHighLevel step by step. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been using GoHighLevel for funnels or automations, you might not realize it can also host and sell your digital products directly from your account. So whether you're selling templates, courses, or PDFs, you can set everything up without needing Shopify or any other third-party checkout tool. We're going to keep this tutorial super beginner friendly, no coding, no tech overwhelm, just really simple steps that you can follow to launch your first digital product store in under an hour. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off with the basics of what GoHighLevel actually is. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and automation platform that combines your website builder, funnel system, CRM, and email automations into one single dashboard. Most people use it for landing pages and client management, but it also has a built-in store feature that lets you sell both physical and digital products. You can take payments, deliver files automatically, and track everything from one place. That means instead of paying for multiple platforms, you can manage your sales, automations, and delivery all inside GoHighLevel. Why use GoHighLevel for digital products? So the biggest advantage of using GoHighLevel for your digital store is that it connects every part of your customer journey. You can create a checkout page, collect payments, deliver the product instantly, and automatically add customers to an email sequence or membership area all in one flow. You also don't have to worry about plugins, external integrations, or separate course platforms. Once someone buys, GoHighLevel automatically sends the product link, tags the user, and trigger follow-up emails. So if you're a coach, creator, or entrepreneur looking to sell your first digital product, this setup keeps everything simple and streamlined. Okay, now let's get into how to build your store. So what you're going to want to do first is go ahead and use our exclusive link down in the description below to get access to an extended free trial. Okay, so once you click that link down below, you can click get started with the extended free trial. This is a 30-day free trial rather than the regular normal 14-day free trial. So this gives you a whole extra week to really just come in here, test it out, see if you love it. So once you click that link, we'll go ahead and add company name, your full name, your email address, and your phone number. And then step number 2 is just adding in your credit card info. They do take your credit card info, but you're not going to be charged until after the trial is up. I just want to give you a quick little tour first so you see where everything is. So we've got your launch pad. This will just walk you through step by step how you can get started. Then this is your dashboard, so you can see everything from your opportunity status to value to stage distributions, any tasks, your lead source. There's also Google Analytics that you can connect, as well as Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. Then we've got conversations. So this is where everything can be imported into one. So you can see your Instagram, your Facebook, etc. all right here. Then you've got calendars, so you can actually create calendars kind of like Calendly where you can set specific appointments, etc. All of your contacts will live in here. You've got opportunities, so this is your CRM, so you can have all your different pipelines. You can see, maybe you do have a whole pipeline where your order fulfillment or where they are in the process, etc. Then payments, which is where we are going to start. And then other things like AI agents, marketing, which is where all of your, email, social planner, stuff like that. And then automation, which is where you can set up sequences, whether that's email, SMS, etc. And you can trigger so many different things. They have a bunch of templates, which is really cool and makes it a lot easier as well. Then you've got your sites. So this is where you can set up funnels and websites, which we'll get to. If you want to create a membership, you also can do that as well. They've got other things like media storage, reputation, and reporting. So step number 1 is we're going to go ahead and create our product. So we'll come in to payments, come in here to products. We're going to go ahead and create a new product. So maybe we want to do a daily planner, digital download, and you want to make sure this is included in the online store. Then you'll want the description. So maybe it's something like this. Then you can add it to a product collection if you would like. If you're going to have multiple, you can also add one right here. Then you can go ahead and select a tax category and then include tax prices. And then you can say no, tax will not be included in the purchase. Yes, it will be, or as per global settings. So if you wanted to just select no, that's totally fine. Then maybe it's a one-time payment of $29.99. So if you wanted to do a compare price, you actually can show the price with a strike through and then the amount. So maybe it's regularly $49.99, but now it's $29.99. You also can track inventory for a digital product. It might not make as much sense to do that. You can also do a price description. You can add variants like color, size, etc. SEO title. You'll definitely want to add product media. Go ahead and click upload. Just add this as an example. Perfect. Insert file. Cool. Now we'll go ahead and click save. Amazing. Successfully saved. Perfect. Now what we're going to do next is go ahead and connect the payment processor so you can actually get paid. So what you'll want to do is navigate over to the integrations section. So you can connect with Stripe, PayPal, Square. There's so many different options. I know a lot of people use Stripe. So all you'll do is go ahead and click connect with Stripe, and then you'll have to enter in your Stripe information. You also can get signed up with Stripe as well. Then what we're going to go ahead and do next is create a product page. We'll go ahead and go to sites, and then we'll go ahead and create a new funnel. If you already have a website, we can attach that on there. Or if you want to create a whole website, you can also do that too. But for this, we're going to go ahead and create a new funnel. Let's start from a template. Then let's search for a template. So maybe digital store. So you can search a template, or you can kind of look at types. So we'll definitely want to have a checkout. And then maybe if it's more health and wellness focused, we can select that. So you can preview the template right here, or you can customize it. So now that we've got our product and payment set up, we're going to go ahead and create a store. So you can go ahead and do it by their step-by-step process, or we can create a new store right here. Let's do a quick start. So we'll name our store, then we'll click create. It will prepare our layout, configuring the components. Okay, so as you can see, they have a bunch of kind of dummy products in here, just as an example. But when you preview, you can see that our digital planner is right here, and it even shows that 40% off, which is really cool. So they just make it super, super easy. People can even write a review on here. And again, it just makes it so easy to actually allow people to purchase your product. Okay, now since this is a digital download, obviously we want people to add to cart and then buy now. So what we actually need to do next is actually deliver that product, right? So what I would recommend doing is next creating an automation. So we'll want to do some sort of email where maybe we start a welcome funnel, right? So what you can do is maybe we'll create a workflow. We can start from scratch. So what we'll want the trigger to go ahead and be. So our trigger is going to be payment received. So as soon as we get a payment received, then we can go ahead and add the next step, which is going to be email. Maybe we'll also want to add them to our pipeline, right? So this is where you'll customize everything. So whatever the email is, like, hey, so excited that you grabbed this planner. Here is the link to download. You can insert a PDF, or you can insert the link to download, whatever it is that you make it on. But again, then maybe we'll want to put them in a welcome sequence where they can really get to know even more about you and your brand to hopefully maybe upsell them if you have another offer like coaching or whatever it may be. So this is where you can go ahead and do all of that. They make it really, really easy. So example, this is like deliver a planner from Ashley Robots. Maybe you just entered in your email, right? And then we'll go ahead and add the subject, your planner. Okay, maybe we want to insert their name as well, full name. If you have templates, you can go ahead and use that. Then you'll want to enter something in here like, hey, insert name, maybe just first name. I'm so excited for you to check out the digital planner. You are one step closer to becoming your future self, organized and motivated. Then you can go ahead and add the attachment right here, and then you'll just save this action. So without putting any time delays right here, it'll deliver automatically. Then maybe we want to wait time delay, maybe 24 or maybe 1 day. Okay. Or maybe we want to wait a week and then send them an email being like, how are you enjoying the planner? Maybe having them write a review, whatever it may be. As soon as we're done, we'll literally just click save and you are ready to go. And then you can just repeat that for as many products as you have. It's so powerful, and GoHighLevel makes it so easy by already having pre-built stores already made. That means you don't have to create a checkout page from scratch. You don't have to connect a bunch of different tools. It's just right there all in one place. Of course, you'll always want to make sure you preview and check out like you're an actual customer using maybe a test payment. You can actually create test payments in Stripe. So you'll want to make sure the payment goes through, the email is sent automatically, the download link works, or if the PDF is attached, that it actually is attached. And then if everything looks good, your store is ready to launch. Now, let's go ahead and touch on some bonus tips just to make your store look more professional. Number one is to add mock-up products. Visuals really do sell. Use Canva to design clean mock-ups for your digital products, like an iPad or a laptop screen showing your file. Number two, write benefit-focused descriptions. Focus on how the product helps your customer, not just what's inside. Example, organize your week with clarity and confidence using this Notion planner. Number three, offer a bundle. Once you have a few products, combine them into a discounted bundle. It increases your average order value and gives customers more reasons to actually buy your products. Number four is to add testimonials or reviews. As you saw in GoHighLevel's store, it automatically added that, so people can add reviews right away. It's not something extra you have to add, but you always can, again, asking customers to actually write reviews, right? If you don't ask, the answer is always going to be no. So make sure you're setting that up in your automations. And then number five is to automate follow-ups. Use your GoHighLevel workflows to send a follow-up email 3 days later, thanking the customer and offer a related product or discount. These small touches make your store feel branded and cohesive. Now let's go ahead and touch on the pros and cons of using GoHighLevel for your digital store, just so you can decide if this is the right next step for you. So the biggest advantage of building your digital store inside GoHighLevel is simplicity. You don't need Shopify, Gumroad, or external tools. It's all handled in one place. The checkout process is super smooth, automations are powerful, and everything connects to your CRM, email, and funnels. The main downside is that GoHighLevel's store design options are a bit more limited compared to dedicated e-commerce platforms, but it is perfect for selling a few digital products or mini offers. But if you plan to build a large catalog, you may want a separate storefront. Still, for most creators and coaches, it's a clean all-in-one system that works perfectly. Now, I just wanted to touch on the different plans and pricing options so you can decide which plan is best for you. Okay, so they have a couple options here, and honestly, compared to purchasing all of these store and, CRM and email automation, when you compare buying all of those separately to this one $97 per month is so affordable. So with the starter plan, again, it's $97 per month. You get all the tools to capture more leads. You can do full online booking, pipeline, social calendar, website builder, store builder, right? You can sell your digital products. It's so powerful. You get unlimited contacts and users, as many as you need. You can even set up to 3 sub accounts. Then we've got the unlimited plan, which is everything in the starter. It's $297 per month. You get API access. You can integrate with anything, unlimited sub accounts, and a branded desktop app. If you do want to get started with the extended free trial, like I said, 30 days compared to just the 14, make sure you use our exclusive link down below. Okay, should you build your digital store in GoHighLevel? If you're already using GoHighLevel for landing pages or email campaigns, absolutely yes, you should. You already have it. But even if you're not, it's such an easy way to get started and start selling super quickly. It's fast, affordable, and keeps your sales process seamless. You don't need to juggle multiple logins or connect a bunch of tools. Every single thing is built in. For digital creators, coaches, and small businesses, GoHighLevel is an amazing choice for selling templates, guides, or mini courses directly from your existing funnels. As a personal note, I know how hard it can be to get your first product store off the ground, especially when you're managing so many moving parts. The beauty of GoHighLevel is that it takes all those pieces, payments, automations, and product delivery, and puts them under one roof. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a big team to start selling. You just need a good product, a simple setup, and that's exactly what GoHighLevel gives you. If you're ready to get started with the extended free trial, make sure you use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping e-commerce e-commerce founders simplify tech and grow smarter. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you are not already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.